guys, heading out to go meet up with Zay and Cameron right now. We're gonna hit up that I think they're 50/50s or something like that. I don't know, I'll put it right here. They're having some event at their jump, so we're all gonna go there. Gonna be carpooling there, so should be pretty cool. We'll see how today goes. So dusty. It's so gnarly following. I was like right on you in the air. I'm having so much fun on it.
On what?
This track. Finally starting to flow on it.
Yeah, a
little slippery out there, huh?
It's a little bit, huh?
Jumped the flat.
Huh?
I just jumped the flat. Hey, spin a lap on this. Feel the power. Sounds sick. Dude, it's the throttle.
This thing feels like a mod bike.
Yo, I'm like totally good. That was good content.
Are you good?
I'm totally good.
Oh
I ruined my front rim though.
I was like, dude.
Dude, thank God you backed up.
I literally
Yo,
that thing.
good job backing up. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I ruined my front rim though. My knees. Dude, my knees feel broken, but I think I'm fine.
You didn't see him like right here at all?
No, dude, I didn't.
He was going full send.
I was going full send. That's like,
You sure you good though?
oh, dude, my kneecaps just hit. I'm good.
I'm scared.
Yeah, no,
That shit
I'm
was
like
wild.
kind of shook. I'm
Low, and I reached down, pinned it into full rabbit mode, and just pinned it backwards.
You straight up like saved my life. Dude, I thought I was done. I was like, oh, this is the end. Like, get my head chopped off.
I would only see this on like YouTube.
Someone needs a hammer. I'll loosen up that spoke and fix that thing. Get the day going again.
Yeah, we can really just hammer that thing out.
Yeah.
Dude,
Where did you fly?
My front wheel landed
front wheel's right
in
there.
it.
Dude, where his foot is.
yeah, there it
He
is.
landed in it and
Uh-huh.
folded into the front of me.
I can't believe it just happened.
Full send.
Dude, I'm so glad you're okay.
Dude, I'm super good.
Dude, this completely bad.
Dude, watch it.
Dude, we have to watch this.
You gotta send me that.
My frame is, look at this.
And then he hit it.
My frame's bent. Oh, the whole frame got cracked, dude.
Look at this bolt.
I'm gonna have to weld it or something.
That's a sweet deal.
Dude, seller. Watch my bike. Honestly, put it up on off-road, dude.
Craigslist right now.
Say oil change every 2 rides. Hey, barely ridden.
Actually, I don't know.
I said Zay could sell any bike.
Oh,
Yeah, watched it, dude, and I was like, no. Like, he's really gonna do it. I
yeah.
was like, no. No. Dude, how did you back up so fast? Hey, fast reaction
I
time.
don't know.
Gotta respect it.
I was at the top too. I was scraping the
I think my
landing.
knee's broken now.
I was cutting out the landing so I get up top.
Oh,
Top of it. Then
You
just,
should probably check your knees.
That's crazy. You were able
Yeah.
to throw it in reverse.
I would check your knees if I were you.
Like Zay's like,
dude, no, I
he
feel
passed
bad
it
though.
forward.
Just
He's like, all right,
completely
let's get
kinked.
it.
Dude, I need to go get a 2020 now. Gotta go get financed.
You check your knees?
Yeah, but they're fine.
Right.
Like, they're not like...
Alright guys, I'm leaving Zay's right now. Not good. Look at this dude on his pit bike. I don't know who that is. Anyway, not good. Hit a jump. Corey was on the skid steer working on the finish line, and me and Zay got in full moto mode. 100% my fault, but I launched into it. Luckily, he backed up. If he didn't back up, we both would have got seriously injured. I would have landed on him. So clutch move on him. Landed in the bucket, got really hurt. Messed up my pit bike pretty bad. It's bent. Front wheel's all the way bent in the frame. So I'm gonna go home, see if we can bend some stuff back, get going. Luckily, I'm all good. Knees are just a little bit bruised. Nothing too bad. If we can't bend back the frame, that kind of sucks, because then I have to get a new pit bike, but we'll see. Maybe it's not that bad. It might just be like the headset or something. So anyway, that's the update. Hope you guys liked it. If the frame is bent, you're gonna take a full rebuild thing, because I'm about to tear that whole thing apart. So, you know, should be all good. Anyway, later guys. Basically just totaled my bike. Whole front end's crushed in. I'm gonna try to bend it back. Not chill. Not chill at all.